That's a laptop. Let me show you what you do with those. This is what I do to laptops I don't like. I don't think anybody's going to fix that laptop anymore. But that's how you fix them. What I've got is my little, turn it around here so you can see, my little quartz heater. It's got a filter on it. We're going to take the filter out and clean it. First thing we're going to do is turn it off, and I'm going to let the fan run. It's got an automatic cool down. I'm going to let that run before I unplug it. But I'll go ahead and turn it around. And as you can see, the filter's here in the back. I haven't cleaned it since I purchased this on Black Friday, so I'm going to go ahead and clean it. So what I'm going to do is pull the, it has two screws here. I'm going to pull these two screws out, try not to drop them. Pull them out. And this comes down, and the filter is actually in here. There is the filter. That is disgusting. You can't even really see through it. I should have already cleaned it. I just didn't realize it. Give that a little wipe down. Well, let me go wash this off and wash the dirt out. I'll be right back. Killing you that you can't say something for like more than a minute? Okay, I'm back here. What I did is the grill, I washed it off and everything. And this is that very same filter. As you can tell, you can probably actually see through it. Yay. Where before you couldn't. So the simple thing is to just place it back in here. It just lips in there. I'll take a screw, get this here screw put in, and get this other one put in here real quick. And what do you say we plug it in and see if it blows more air out now. Turn it on, and I'll have to turn the temperature up to get the kick on. And I didn't let it cool down all the way, but that is blowing a lot more air out now. It'll be more efficient. The point of me bringing this to you is a reminder to everybody, not only our people in the RVs, but also people in houses, apartments, trailers, wherever you may live. You got a filter. If you have a filter in your little heater, it only takes a few minutes to clean it, and it works so much better, more efficient. You'll have better heating. Same thing with cooling. You know, keeping the filters clean is what's going to help in the long run as far as energy consumption. It'll help with your heating and cooling. It won't cycle as much. But, you know, I lacked on this one here. I should have done this one sooner. You know, I need to check this about once a week maybe, because this is my main source of heat here in the RV.